Login failed on Betterment App Fix. You open your Betterment app, ready to check your returns or rebalance your portfolio, but then login failed. It's a frustrating moment, but here's the good news. You can fix it fast with just a few steps. First, check your internet connection. Betterment requires a stable, secure connection for authentication. If you're using public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or your private network. Weak or interrupted signals often cause login errors. Next, open your App Store or Google Play and make sure your Betterment app is up to date. Outdated versions might not communicate correctly with the latest server settings, leading to failed login attempts. Now, re-enter your login details manually. Avoid using autofill or saved passwords, since those can include old or misstamped credentials. If you changed your password recently, type it carefully. If you're using biometric login, like fingerprint or Face ID, disable it temporarily and log in manually. Then, re-enable it once you're back in. This refreshes the authentication data stored on your device. Till stuck? Clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Betterment Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app that resets corrupted data that might be blocking your login. Also, ensure your phone's time and date are set to automatic. Betterment security relies on time synchronization, and even minor discrepancies can cause login issues. If all else fails, the problem might be on their end. Betterment occasionally performs maintenance or server updates, which can cause temporary login failures. These usually resolve within a few hours. So next time you see login failed on Betterment, stay calm. Check your connection, update your app, and clear your cache. Most of these issues take just minutes to fix, and you'll be back to managing your investments and tracking your financial growth in no time.